So one of the things you might think about in your own programming is, are there moments where there's transitions? If you're in a school going from class to class, if you're going from one space to another, right? You think you're just walking in for lunch. Whatever it is, there's really moments that you can take advantage of. And to be brief, because we are moving up, so then we can have an experience on the course again and then come back down for lunch. But sometimes it's a game, like you could even use count off, which you did in a sitting circle, trying to get to 20 without talking to each other. That's a great one walking up. This one's just a brief conversation with a partner, and it revolves around 3G. The 3G for you is having a conversation around 3 words. That is, what's good in your life? That's the first G. Second one, what's goofy about you? That's your second G. And the third one is your goals. What are you seeing? Are they popping up? Are you getting what you need for your goals? So what's good, what's goofy, your goals. Cool. So that's your 3 topics to discuss as you walk up. Cool?